What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you real quick how to replace the hood struts on your 2001 Lexus ES300. This was way easier than I thought. I kind of thought this was going to be a little bit of a difficult process, but it's actually super easy. I just did that side and I was like, wow, this is way easier than I thought. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this side. The struts that I got on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. They were like less than 20 bucks. I want to say it was like 17 bucks or something. They came the next day, and yeah, they came in a box. This looks like that. I think it's the same as for the Camry, it looks like. So this is my old one. They were toast. They didn't work at all. Here's the new one. And it comes with your little joint. So you're going to go ahead and start. And the bolt down here on the bracket, that's going to be a 12 millimeter. So you're going to remove that. I removed this first. Obviously, I would prop up the hood first. I had a hockey stick. I already did that strut, so the hood's holding for the most part at the moment. But hold the hood up or put like a hockey stick or something to hold it up. Once you know the hood's good and it won't fall on you, remove this one first, that 12 mil. Then that's free. And then you're going to come up here, and that's a 12 mil. You're going to get an open wrench, and you're going to undo that, and then this whole thing will just come right out. This one is a little tougher. You're gonna have to work with this top one, especially if these have been on the car for a while. And then this bolt you want to hold on to, you're gonna keep this. And the old one you can just throw out. Once you get your old one out, you're gonna come get your new little joint piece, and I screwed this in first. This is a 12 mil, and if you just screw it in first, then it'll go into that hole right there. If you screw this in first, then you don't have to worry about using the open head. You can just use a regular socket or a deep socket. And there might be like an actual torque spec for this, but to be honest, I don't know it, so I'm just doing that. That'll work. And I didn't strip it, it just came off. And then now that you did that, you're gonna get your new absorber. Also the bracket on there. So there's a little tab on this bracket. And that tab is gonna go on the outer side, facing towards the outside of the car, just like that. And then I went ahead and I actually put this in first. I bolted the bottom here in first. Try to do this with my camera. And once you got that bottom part tightened in there, I did a few ugga-duggas. Like I said, there might be a torque spec. I don't know off the top of my head, unfortunately. You might have to turn that to fit that thing outwards. And then that will quite literally, boom, pop into the hood just like that. And that's really all there is to it. Go ahead and just be careful. And if you're going to take your support away, make sure you're out of the way in case these somehow were to fail. And boom, just like that, our ES now has a hood that opens and holds. This is a nice to have thing. That's what I'm talking about right there. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. We will see you guys next time.